Here's our 2011 Stingray 195LX. This is going to be a great, more than likely, first boat for somebody. Very low hours, still in great condition after these years. There is some dock rash over here, and there's some more right here, and a little bit right there. Must have just been tied up wrong, but somebody else did it for you, so you won't be mad at yourself the first time you put a ding on the side of this boat, right? That's one way of looking at it. Nice swing platform back there. Bench seat. Does have the bimini. Some in-floor storage. Nice spot to sit up in the bow. All the gauges you're gonna need. Clean seats. No rips, no tears. Beautiful boat, guys. Give me a call. Let's take a look at it.